Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start now, align your stance and enable Pro Stick or Hybrid. You need sprint map to R2/RT and the right stick responsive. This gives micro control over direction. Once done, pick a player with elite speed and ball handling. This matters because dashboarding relies on acceleration bursts. Press and hold sprint, then tap the right stick toward your target while releasing sprint quickly. That initial tap creates the dash impulse. Practice in walkthrough drills until timing feels consistent. Once you have inputs down, chain the move. Hold sprint, then flick the right stick about 30 to 60 degrees toward the defender's weak side to initiate the first burst. Release sprint within 1/8 to 1/4 of a second to cut momentum, then re-engage sprint immediately to trigger the dash cancel. This creates a second acceleration that fools defenders. Make sure to mix in a quick left/right stick jab or hop to sell the fake, so opponents commit and you get separation. Complete the sequence by reading spacing. If lanes open, drive baseline hard and finish. If help arrives, step back for a quick mid-range or pull-up. If the dashboard feels sluggish, shorten your sprint hold or tweak the right stick angle by small increments because timing and angle are why it works. Once comfortable, apply it in live scrimmages to learn defender habits. That repetition teaches you when to attack versus when to reset and run another setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.